What we got here is a 13 Ford Focus Hatchback left rear light removal. It was a little tricky to get it off because of the way it's designed. I'm just going to show you what it looks like on the inside. So you have a clip and you have some threaded connections here. Okay, how it works, the clip goes this way, not this way. So what ends up happening, you're trying to pull the light this way, you can't get the light out. So what you do is just put a trim tool, plastic trim tool underneath, and then pop it out. There's a threaded connection there, there's a threaded connection there. Go on the inside, I'm going to show you what's on the inside. It's got the plastic nuts on there. You can put a big screwdriver slot in there. But I actually have an old school tool that was used for GMs back in the day. I don't even think this tool's got a part number on it. But it was designed for removing those style of nuts. Now back in the day they had a hex on them. You could use that or this. Cool part about this tool was it just gave you a little extra grip on them nuts, or put a socket on it or a wrench, or you could put a 1/4 inch drive ratchet in there, extension, or you can put a wrench on this, on the hex. It works well. So I'll show you on the inside. So you have one there. You have another one up, another hole up here to gain access to it. So basically you're just going to undo them there and there. Little cover, as you can see right there. There's the cover itself. Covers that hole right there. And then the other one's above there, right there. So you get a far away shot of what you're looking at. That's what you're looking at. So how I've removed it is simple. Plastic trim tool. After you take out the 2 plastic nuts from the inside, put the tool underneath and just pop it. It comes right out.